Hello sir, my name is Amokshit Lakshmanamudi. Today date is 14 July 2021 and our today video topic is explain methods of a string. So before we going to start our video, we have to understand that what is meant by string and what is meant by method. Okay, string is a collection of sequence of a character. That is a string contains a character in sequence form. So string is basically a class which is in java.lang package, and method is a block of a code contains statements and syntaxes to execute a certain task. That is nothing but a method, and there are a total 14 methods in a string. So let's talk one by one. So first method is equals method. Let's create a toString, that is string s1 equals to in double quotes Hepshine. Suppose we have created the string s1 that is in lowercase, and another string, that is string s2 is equals to Hepshine, and which is in capital uppercase. So when we call equals method, that is s1 equals to s2, s1 dot equals to s2. Here it will give us output as a false, that is it equals the method, it equals two strings, but they are same and they have same length, but they are with the case differences, that is one string having lowercase and another string having uppercase. That means equals methods and checking the lexicographically. So let's take another example. First, we have created one string as a Amit and second string as a Deepak. If we equals them, it will again show us a false in output. That is, if we have to equals two string, that the same equal, the string must contain the same characters. That is, first, if first string contains Amit, then second string must contain Amit of a same, with same alphabetical manner. That is the equals method. And here is again compares method also there in string. So what happened in compares method, that if we created a string s1 equals to Hepshine in small, or in and another string s2 is equals to Hepshine in capital form. Then in compare method, it compares the first length of the two string. If the length of the two string are equals, then it will differ the ASCII value of the corresponding first character of a strings. If you are comparing a string s1 with a string s2, then if they are having the same length, it will give us their differences in integer form in the output. If we have if we first string is a and second string is in capital A, ASCII value of A is 97 and ASCII value of A is 65. We get the difference of them by using compare method. And next method is a toString method. What happened in toString method? So we have created a string s1 that is a Hepshine. ToString method give us if you create s1 dot toString, that is it will give us a, uh, string in between indices. If you have given indices 1 to 2, it will give us HEF. That is first indices is a sorry 1 to 2, we are we require string as a 1 to 2, means it will give us first character of a string, first indices of character and second indices of character of a string. If you want to string in between 1 to 3, then it will give us like here we have a string that is Hepshine. We will getting, we are ignoring H because of zero index, and H E F first, second, and H E F S. This will this will going to get output. And there is another method is a replace method. What happen in replace method is that if you have created a string that is my name is Somu, and we have to replace is word by a was, and in the output we will get by using replace method, that is my name was. The is replaced by was. We are replacing in method, that is replacing was. So in this way there are many methods in a string, so we can explain one by one. And another method is a uppercase method. We have created a string s1 as a Epstein, and we have to make it as uppercase. All the characters in s1 we have to make as a uppercase. So we have to call the a predefined method, that is uppercase method. So simply we have writing s1 dot uppercase. So in this way we are printing that method in our sysout, that is, and we will get all characters in S1 are in uppercase, and same for lower case also. If string contains any lower character in a string, that is, it will get converted by, if string contain any upper cases, it will get converted in lower case by calling lowercase method. In sysout we have to call s1 dot lowercase method, and we can replace the all capital value of a string s1 in lowercase form. And another method is a concatenating method. So what happen in concatenation, that if two strings are there, s1 and s2, and we have to add the two string, that is, first is somu and second string is gomu, and we have to add this two string, the s1 concatenating with s2, and we will get somu gomu as a result. But uh, in concatenation, if a string is in integer form, uh, that is a somu, and another string is a in double quotes 10, so it will somu 10. And again, in concatenation method, that if first three strings are there, first string is somu, second string is 10, second and third string is 20, so we have to concatenate them. What will result we will getting is that first is the string is somu is concatenating with the string s2, that is somu 10, and again somu 10 concatenating with s3, that is 20. We will getting a result like somu 10 20. Here addition of 10 20 will not happen in concatenating method. So there is a join method is also there. So what will happen in join method? So it will join this string. If two strings are there, you have to join another string in between them. The join method calling by calling the join method, we can join the two strings by using a join method. So another method is next method is like a trim method. What happen in trim method? It will trim the all spaces, initial spaces and last spaces of a string. It will trim all the method. It will delete all the spaces, the string containing of its initial and the last of a string. If you have a string like s1 in double quotes space and then hepshan and again space, the trim method removes the space in first and last of a string, and we will get a string of hepshan without containing space. If the space is in between of two strings, that is a string s1 variable equals double quote space hepshan and again space hepshan 2 and again space. The trim method only trims the first and last spaces of a string. So we will getting a result like hepshan space hepshan 2. In this way we get a result. So string in string there are many predefined methods, and like length method is also there, which will give us a length of a string. So if you have a hepshan as a string, so it will give a last indices plus 1 as the length of a string by calling simply we have to call the method by using a variable m. That is, if you can, if a string contain with string having variables s1 with option, so we have to call s1 dot that s1 dot length method. We will getting length of the uh, string. So in this way there are many methods in string we can explain. So today we are concluding our video. String is a very important in Java programming. String is widely used in Java programming, and methods are very widely used in real world projects. So thank you for today video.